Hello everyone and I'm excited to meet all of you again. आज मैं इंट्रोड्यूस करूँगी किसी आपको पता है आपने स्टोरी देखी होगी तो आप जानते ही हो बट द मोस्ट फेमस Kassakai Mumbai. Yes, Kassakai Mumbai. Archana is with us today and we are going to ask her. आज रोल रिवर्स ही होने वाला है. आज वो हमारे लाइव सेशन पे आने वाली है और हम उनसे चक चक बक बक करने वाले हैं. If you know, and if you don't know, then I shall tell you all about RJ Archana. Well, she's been a web designer, she's done her master in arts, and she's also designed the website for the lovely Shamak Davar. The SDIPA website was designed by her. She's done, and there she is. Hi Archana, we are so glad to have you here, and I shall send her the request. Yes, we sent her the request. We are connecting. Hello, Kassakai Mumbai.
एक्चुअली ये नाम हमारे साथ अटक गया है भाई. इट इज आवर पहचान.
Totally. अब इतने साल की है कि वो पहचान बनी जाएगी ना, because all of us have loved it every time we signed in the morning and it's like we hear that beautiful voice Kassakai Mumbai. तो हमारे लिए एक बार तो बोल दो.
Do you Kassakai, Shweta, Kassakai to all the people here. I have taken 2 showers today, so I'm looking extra clean. But आपको रेडियो सुनने का टाइम मिलता है श्वेता? Because most people listen to radio when they are in the car. और हमारा शो तो सुबह सुबह आ जाता है, तो लोग कहते हैं अरे इतनी सुबह को हम उठते नहीं है. बॉलीवुड के लोग तो यही कहते हैं हम लोगों को.
शूट पे पहुंच जाते थे ना, लकीली काम होता था तो सुबह सुबह शूट के लिए सब लेते थे. That's the only way.
Good one. How are you in this lockdown?
Good, yeah, making the most of it, making new friends. Like I've just made a new friend thanks to you, and now we have a common friend, Mandy, Rajesh Mansukhani.
He is so funny, dude. He's just so hilarious, and I saw your chat with him. और बहुत दोस्ती और याराना. और मुझे पता चला आप सिंधी है, तो मैं सोचा हाँ, मेरे को ये क्यों नहीं पता था कि सिंधी सरनेम रोहिरा भी होता है. I didn't even know that.
You know, I've gone through that always. So people have been bitching about Sindhis, thinking कि रोहिरा है तो नी तो है नहीं. And then I would be like, by the way, I'm Sindhi. So that happened quite a lot.
I am very proud to be a Sindhi. So
I am too.
You too?
I love being. I am proud. That's why instead Rajesh and I are having our live chat soon, which is going to be called the Sindhi Connection, because we are like यार proud हैं कि since से यहाँ आए हैं, refresh किया है अपने life को. Our ancestors have started afresh, and we are proud of it.
I am totally. I am so proud of my roots. मतलब I get excited when I see Ranveer saying in the likes and no anyone remotely. तो मैं सोचती हूँ wow हमारा नाम रोशन कर रहे हैं. But I think more than anything else, we've always looked at the brighter side of things. So if you look at our community, I feel people think we are stingy, but we know how to save and we also know how to spend and have a good time. I'm very proud to be a part of our community.
So I have to tell you this, you know how people get excited, film pe magazine pe aaye and this that. So when I got featured in the Sindhian magazine, I was so proud.
Same here.
Everyone, like my non-Sindhi friends were like, what is this? I'm like, you don't understand. It's a Sindhi community thing, dude. To be on that.
I have made it my personal agenda कि रेडियो पे अगर मुझे कोई सिंधी लिसनर फोन करता है या कहीं पे भी कोई सिंधी अगर दिख जाता है शादियों में, तो मैं तो सिंधी में बात करना शुरू कर देती हूँ. क्योंकि मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि दैट एक ओनरशिप होती है ना एक अपने लैंग्वेज की, जो पंजाबियों ने बड़ी अच्छे से रखी है. मतलब उनके गाने हम सब गा रहे हैं, उनकी मतलब पंजाबियत हम लोग सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं. ना मैरिड टू अ पंजाबी, आई डोंट मीन एनी मैरिज, बट
पंजाब सिंध बैंक
पंजाब सिंध बैंक चल रहा है घर पे. करेक्ट. बट आई फील बैड. यू नीड टू celebrate your language. Your language is fun and तिंज करे मां सिंधी में ॾाढो ॻाल्हाईंदी आहियां रेडियो ते.
मुंहिंजी सिंधी टूटी फूटी आहे, मां ट्राई कंदी आहियां बट सुठी न आहे.
ट्राई करी थी ही जाम सुठी ॻाल्हि है बस.
Oh, my grandparents are going to be so happy seeing this life कि हमारे अलावा कोई मिल गया इसको जो सिंधी में बात कर रहा है.
दिलीप मेरे I just want to tell one of our listeners, our viewers here, दिलीप मेरी मम्मी बड़ौदा से है, तो मैं મને ગુજરાતી પણ આવે જ, પણ it's very very bad, so I would rather not speak it. So yeah.
So yeah, you are a typical Mumbaikar, सिंध से हो, सिंधी हो, and my God man, how much have you done? मुझे ना ऐसे नर्वसनेस हो रही थी कि मैं क्या बोलूं क्या नहीं बोलूं. एंड यू नो आई यूज्ड टू थिंक मैंडी ने 2 चैट किए, हम लाइक 2 चैट भी कम पड़ेंगे, मुझे तो बहुत सारे चैट करने पड़ेंगे.
So sweet.
So
नहीं,
I'm like,
actually, I'll be honest with you. I think I feel very under accomplished क्योंकि रेडियो जॉकीज का नाम जो होता है वो अपने शहर में बहुत, मतलब हम मुंबई में ठीक है थोड़ा बहुत नोन है, लेकिन मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि रेडियो इज सच अ पावरफुल मीडियम. हाय करण. That I feel I want to take the profession of radio on a larger scale. So I like to do, and you also know this, कि अगर एक बारी एक कीड़ा होता है परफॉर्मेंस का तो you can apply it anywhere, you know.
True that.
So I feel so blessed कि जब रेडियो सिटी में मैं आई थी श्वेता, तो I had come for a show called Musically Azam on the breakfast show. We were hosting all these musical greats, and Lata ji had come to the radio station, I believe, after many years, or she hadn't entered one ever or something like that. और उन्होंने मुझे देख के बोला था कि मेरे म्यूजिक वीडियो में मैं इस लड़की को चाहती हूँ. So
that's how the music video happened with you.
Yeah, I was sitting next to her, and that day she was disappointed because I love wearing sarees, and when she had come to the radio station, मैं साड़ी में थी, and that typical Yash Chopra, that white साड़ी and all, and she goes, आज तुमने साड़ी क्यों नहीं पहनी? And I was like, I didn't know I was meant to wear a sari for this music video, and I wanted to look hip, and I wore a ganji. So I have too many avatars, as all of us girls do. But I think my because I feel Bombay में इतनी ह्यूमिडिटी है, मुझे ऐसे लगता है हम लोग कपड़े कैसे पहनते हैं यहाँ पे. We are great. So
like I was just telling my friend, I'm like यार winters Bombay में होते तो we could wear those boots and jackets. अब तो थोड़ा होता है तो लगता है चलो ऐसी जगह पे जाके boots और jacket पहन लेंगे.
So true. We just can't show off in clothes. So I would rather that we just don't wear. We wear less कपड़े यार, बस और कुछ नहीं.
What is your favorite clothing in quarantine?
Actually तो नहीं बोलना चाहिए, like तो सब लोग they'll start imagining. But I think it's actually my husband's boxer shorts. Because I realized I don't have my own pair of shorts for home. I mean बाहर के लिए बहुत है और रात के लिए 2 हैं. But दिन में पहनने के लिए ना, I have less of these beautiful loose cotton fit shorts. So I said, dude, I need shorts. After this lockdown, I'm first buying shorts for myself because I realized I can't do this clothes-giriness, man. You just like wear chaddi and banyan and walk around. That's my deal. I
swear. Like,
what about
or
you?
live chat में shorts and t-shirt and ganji. That is the only thing right now. और अभी तो फिर भी full sleeve t-shirt थोड़ी आ जाती है लाइव के टाइम पे, because many a time if you're wearing a off shoulder, it looks like okay.
It's wearing clothes.
The other day during beginning of my some live, I wore this really nice tube dress and I wore a neck piece, and it was like the beginning first 2 lives where you're still getting the hang of it. And I set the camera and I'm like, no.
ऐसे लग रहा कुछ पहना ही नहीं है, सिर्फ गले में पहना है.
नहीं.
Actually live chat में दिखता ही इतना है, तो फिर as in when you're doing it with someone.
Yeah, so then automatically. So you know एक पुराना वो picture था शाहरुख खान का, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, and there is this scene over there that they're doing the song and they're wearing boxers down but proper suit on top because news reporting में उतना दिख रहा है ना. इसमें like do people do this? And now we all are doing the same.
I'm sure in your live chats, most of your guests नीचे कुछ नहीं पहने हुए थे, 100%.
Okay, I think suddenly the numbers are going to increase because they will on this line. People, this has just got censored. This has just got censored.
नहीं. I don't think I want to support anything that would take us to that direction, but I definitely feel कम कपड़े is better sustenance in this heat. तो घर पे
Neha Wadhwa saying that's exactly the situation right now. Kam kapade.
Seriously, Neha, please give us a high five.
So tell me, web designer, master in arts, फिर music video, फिर you obviously acted as an RJ yourself in मिलेंगे, voice artist of so many top brands, commercials, then play भी हो गया, anchoring and hosting भी हो गई. कुछ बचा है? Before I start with ये सब कैसे हुआ, पहले बता दो कुछ बचा है?
हाँ, item song, that's my dream, dude.
Oh shit, वो तो मैंने सोचा ही नहीं.
So I am this yogini trapped in the mindset of a sensual dancer, and I think I don't say this with any malice. मुझे मेरे husband और बहुत सारे लोग बोलते हैं, oh you women, you all objectify yourselves by doing these item songs and all that. I'm like, excuse me. जब एक लड़का टी शर्ट उतार के अपने एब्स दिखाता है तो लोग कहते हैं वाह सो हैंडसम. जब एक लड़की अपनी खूबसूरती दिखा के डांस करती है तो आई थिंक इट्स वेरी एंटरटेनिंग एंड इट जस्ट लाइक आई वुड लव वॉचिंग गोविंदा एंड ऋतिक डांस. इट्स नॉट अबाउट कम कपड़े ज्यादा कपड़े और व्हाटएवर. इट्स अबाउट एंजॉयिंग योर क्राफ्ट. एंड आई नो आई एंजॉय माई डांस लाइक क्रेजी. और मेरे लिए वो एक वैलिडेशन का एक मोमेंट था श्वेता, जब समर फंक विद शामक में मुझे बेस्ट डांसर का खिताब दिया गया. Shamuk was like, oh, she feels like she's won Miss World and all because मुझे trophy मिली. And you know, back in those days, to win the trophy in front of everyone, standing next to Shamuk was a big deal.
Yeah.
Because today you know how it is. The access is so much more, and you know you get to see your stars and all so much more. But way back when I was growing up, I thought this was a fabulous moment for me, and it was a how do I say, एक तरीके का आपको ना स्टैम्प मिला कि हाँ आपने बेडरूम में दरवाजा बंद करके जो डांस किया था it wasn't going to waste. So yeah, the list of things that I want to do is way longer because जो अभी तक मेरे लाइफ में हुआ है, quite honestly I was not very instrumental in having it done. Radio also, mind you, happened by chance. Yeah, because
what was this by chance story, हमें बताइए.
तो मैं जा रही थी अमेरिका पढ़ाई करने के लिए. आई वांटेड टू डू माय मास्टर्स इन आर्ट बिकॉज मैंने जब वेब डिजाइनिंग करी तो मुझे लगा ये इडियट बॉक्स के साथ मेरी पूरी जिंदगी निकल जाएगी, मेरे को नहीं चाहिए. हाय संतोष, दैट्स माय लिसनर फ्रॉम रेडियो. तो मुझे ऐसे लगा कि आई वांट टू डू समथिंग मोर व्हिच हैज पीपल इन्वॉल्व्ड. सो ऐसे चलो आर्ट बनाएंगे तो ज्यादा लोग दिखेंगे, आर्ट एग्जीबिशंस रखेंगे, इट विल बी नाइस. तो आर्ट के लिए आपको एक पोर्टफोलियो बनाना होता है श्वेता. सो आई वाज डूइंग painting and clay work and photography. You have to do the whole scene, right? Because when you go to the States, they'll ask you, so where is your portfolio? Like, so how are you showing me you have interest in art? So anyway, my art teacher says, yeah, tum to Sindhi again, very instrumental in my life, Neelam Hemrajani. She says, you're not meant to go and study. Please, you have to be on radio. How much bug you're doing? Just go. So I said, you're mad out. तो मैं लिटरली आउट ऑफ गिल्ट एक सुबह उन्होंने मुझे फोन किया और मैं सो रही थी 8 बजे. तो बोलती है मेरा चाय कॉफी पूरा न्यूज़पेपर हो गया, तू सो रही है. तो ऐसे ओके क्या करूं, क्या गो फॉर दिस ऑडिशन. शी लिटरली पुल्ड मी आउट ऑफ माय बेड ओवर अ फोन कॉल एंड आई एम सो ग्रेटफुल टू हर फॉरएवर बिकॉज फ्रैंकली मैं आपको बता रही हूँ श्वेता, मेरा विजन ही नहीं था. यू नो व्हेन लॉट ऑफ एक्ट्रेसेस से मैं तो एक्ट्रेस बनना ही नहीं चाहती थी, लाइक शट चल झूठी. आई थिंक आई एम वन ऑफ दोज. I definitely had no plan of being an RJ. It was not even in my scheme of things. But when I went to audition and I saw the kind of people like, and मेरा exposure बहुत कम था क्योंकि मैं नवी मुंबई में रहती थी after I came back from Kuwait, so I was very far away from reality in that sense. And when you meet VJs and makeup artists and designers and all these people had come to audition, God knows why, but there were some gay people, there were some, you know, there was just some very interesting people I met and I was very happy. I said, बस इसमें ही मैं खुश हूँ, मैं audition थोड़ी मैं जीतने आई हूँ. So I had just gone out of a whim. And I still remember there was a very dear friend of mine today called Delon, and he said, hey, he was laughing watching me, you know, because I was very animated back then. कहता है, you'll easily get through here. So I said, why? So he goes, क्या laughter है तेरी? So I said, excuse me, I'm going to talk, I'm not going to laugh. But it's ironic how life turns out, you know, and why things happen when they happen. मैं हमेशा ये लाइन बोलती हूँ मेरे लिए कि मैंने रेडियो को नहीं चुना, रेडियो ने मेरे को चुना. And I'm always eternally grateful because you being in the media, you would know this. You know, there's only one medium जहाँ पे आपको कोई देख नहीं रहा है, आपको सुन रहा है और आपकी बातें सीधे आपके दिल, उनके दिल तक पहुँच रही है. They're not involved in the things that you are wearing or, you know, you're projecting through your physicality. It has everything to do with your mind. So it's a beautiful world. There can't be anything more beautiful than the mind. So radio is also called the theater of the mind. तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा कि ये मेरे लाइफ में आया. I attempted and I हाथ पैर मारोड for other things, but I have to say I haven't given it my entire shot. So I realized maybe my efforts haven't been with focus, and that's why they haven't gone anywhere. And radio has been something that I've intentionally loved doing, and it's brought so much change in people's lives that I think I'm meant to do this for whatever that
like radio is something, like I'm telling you, just listening to you always, like we met now for the first time,
my
but
producer
listening to you,
and RJ Karan is here. He's telling, please take my name. I'm a big fan. Shut up, Karan. So this boy, Shweta, I want to tell you before, I'm sorry to cut you. This boy got two blind, a couple who can't see. They वो बिछड़ गए लॉकडाउन में क्योंकि उनकी बीवी अपने घर पे थी और ये अपने घर पे थे, और करण को उनका फोन गया कि मैं बहुत मिस कर रही हूँ अपने पति को वगैरह वगैरह, and he went out of his way to Kalamboli or someplace, picked up the wife, took her to the husband, and they're together today.
Wow,
this happened because of radio. So now you were telling me your love for radio. Sorry.
Exactly, the love for radio is that only. So because every time when I'm traveling, I love listening to radio. I never play my memory card or anything because I'm like, वो तो घर पे होता ही है. So I rather listen, and I love to talk. I love to hear people talk. So I used to always play the radio because I used to be like, I want to hear what are they talking, what are they saying, because it's a medium where you know about so many more people. You get to meet so many more people thanks to y'all. And, so that's the thing. Like today while quarantine, I think I made more friends that I have not made otherwise. Like, हमारी दोस्तियाँ कर देखो quarantine में हुई है. So radio is just like that, you're meeting people, you're talking to them.
That's true.
And every RJ needs to be a people's person because you are connecting with that person in few seconds.
I don't know, because look, when I meet actors, some actors are very shy. They're not always people's person. I'm just saying. So then you wonder ना, ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है? पूरी यूनिट है 100 लोगों की, एक इंसान के साथ आपको शायद थोड़ा इंटीमेट भी होना पड़े कभी, या you have to get along so that you can get through the scenes. So sometimes I feel I'm a bit of an ambivert and nobody will believe that about me because they'll be like, कुछ भी मत बोल, सबके साथ तो बात करती है, मैं किसी से भी बात कर सकती हूँ, you're right. But there is something, Hari, but there's something.
Yeah, he's like, just saying, Arju is total people's person.
But I sometimes feel like I'm a bit shy around somebody giving me a compliment, or sometimes I just want to be on my own. So I feel like I'm a bit of a mix, and I've obviously realized that over a period of time that I need time out. Like, so everyone needs to know that about themselves, right? Because somewhere I feel we don't give credence to what is due to us sometimes in terms of
space.
True. I'm just saying. For me, because of my mother, and just generally when you're brought up in a family which is all about घर में किरायो आए, हल्ला हल्ला चाय ठाई, ही कर, वो कर. We are so used to being there for people, we forget how to be there for ourselves. Hey, listen, I want to know your zodiac sign. I'm a big...
So I'm a cusp. I'm a cusp, Virgo and a Libra.
Oh God, that's intense. 21st September, is it?
24th September, but 23rd रात को change होता है ना, तो वो 24 घंटे ये होता है. So few of my friends say, oh, you're so Virgo-ish, and I'm like, okay. And few of them say, oh, you're so Libra, and I'm like, ठीक है, तुम दोनों ही खुश रहो. So when is your birthday? When is what zodiac are you?
I'm Scorpio. So I'm 4th November, but I'm a bit of a numerologist, so I wanted to do your numerology today on this live chat.
So my papa was a Scorpion. 8th November.
Wow. So he's similarly my family. 2-4.
Yeah, totally.
Archana is laying her eyes going to top right. What does that mean? Okay, so I want to tell you, Shweta, you said 24th.
4.
Said, na? 24th.
Number 6, so that means, I think, जो सब बोलते रहते हैं.
You love all things beautiful. चाहे वो घर की सजावट हो, चाहे वो परफ्यूम्स हो, मेकअप हो, कपड़े हो, खाना हो, घूमना हो, anything that has got to do with luxury, it's going to be on your list because you're the number of Venus, and you will be very clean by heart, but people will misunderstand you highly because ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है, कोई इतना अच्छा कैसे हो सकता है, ये आपके साथ बहुत होगा, और आप बहुत हेल्पफुल हो. अगर आपको पता चले कि इसको हेल्प की जरूरत है तो आप सुबह के 3 बजे भी भाग के उनकी मदद करोगे. You are that person, but never change because just because some people have been wrong to you or have wronged you, and there would be some people like that. आपकी सिर्फ एक ही खामी है, और वो ये कि आपको जब गुस्सा आता है, जब आता है गुस्सा श्वेता को
You know, I'm so glad my friends are not commenting on this क्योंकि they always say कि जब मैं चोकड़ी मारती हूँ ना तो ऐसी चोकड़ी मारती हूँ कि I am like no matter what you do.
Break things. You can you can also break relationships for a very long time. So I always believe that having insight into these things is about what is the ज्ञान, मतलब ज्ञान तो सबके पास हो सकता है पर उसका मतलब नतीजा क्या. So I just want to say that Palash is here. Hi Palash.
Yeah, he's like, what's up girl? Palash, तू इतना जल्दी उठ गया? It's only 7:24.
So I just want to say one advice for you, which is just forgive people. It's tough, I know, but it'll weigh on you because you are very clean. तो वो चीज आपको नीचे feel कराएगी. So just forgive people and let go. That's it.
I shall try that for sure. I always say I will because like you said, when I get angry, then it is like
and then just emotionally weighs you down, and you're too much of a giver, and you want to be in love all the time, and you want to be happy, then you don't want to carry on with that kind of a heavy heart. You know what I'm saying?
Noted, man. This shall be noted.
तो मेरी न्यूमरोलॉजी के लिए कितने मार्क्स मिले मुझे?
10 on 10. अब मतलब ऐसे नहीं भी करते तो भी 10 on 10 मिल जाते हैं. वो इफेक्ट भी काम किया पर अगर वो नहीं भी करते तो 10 on 10.
मैं चिंता जोगी जिम नहीं है, पता नहीं लोग कैसे क्या करते हैं भैया.
हम enjoy कर रहे हैं quarantine.
Nice to see actor, RJ, voiceover artist, too gorgeous. Wow, Narendra, you know a lot about us, Mr. Kukreja. What's happening, dude? He knows everything about us.
Okay, now I'm gonna get back to how was it when you were doing ads and all? Like, suddenly from being behind the camera, just voice, and then suddenly being in front. Archana Devi, namaste, Palash is saying.
जीते रहो.
उसको तो ब्लेसिंग देनी चाहिए कि जल्दी सो जाओ तुम.
मैं तो उसको देख के माइकल जैक्सन को याद करती हूँ. मुझे डिफरेंस ही नहीं लगता है दोनों में.
उसको मैं once I think he just lately I bumped into him and he straightened his hair, so I'm like ये पलाश लग तो रहा है पर ये पलाश है, and then he's like हाँ मैंने बाल straight किया. I'm like okay sorry.
I have not seen this roop of his.
Palash send a picture to Archana अभी
है. So you were asking कि रेडियो पे होते मैं कैमरा के आगे कब आई. So I think mostly जब कैमरा के आगे आना होता था वो initially रेडियो की वजह से ही हुआ. जैसे मिलेंगी you mentioned, I was that time रेडियो मिर्ची का एक tie up हुआ था फिल्म के साथ. आज भी मुझे याद है कि कैसे करीना कपूर was in shock because I was like, hey, you're listening to Radio Mirchi 98.3 FM and she goes, you're really an RJ? And I'm like, yeah. So she was shocked क्योंकि तब वो बहुत प्यार में थी शाहिद के और उनको कोई लाइन ही नहीं आ रही थी. And she was only telling one thing to the director, क्यों हम इंडिया में शूटिंग कर रहे हैं, सब लोग बैंकॉक थाईलैंड जा रहे हैं, we should go to Bangkok, Thailand. I was like, wow, क्या हो रहा है इधर. So I think being in a shooting setup was purely because of radio. I also got to be in tell me the name of the serial. I always forget. I know it's with S. I know the name of the serial, but I love whistling, so I'm going to whistle it for you.
Oh shit. I know it. It's right here.
Oh my god. This is like a brain tease. Sanjeevani. So Sanjeevani, when I changed, uska roop badla tha jabi, और Karan had come onto the show. I had gone as like a special guest. तो ऐसे मेरे बहुत सारे, in fact एक नहीं दो बारी Sanjeevani has called me. Now I realized it, not once but twice I've been on Sanjeevani show, the old setup and the newer setup, and I wonder, like why and how the shooting scene would come to me somehow or the other. But ads ke liye, Shweta, is where what happened, one of these casting directors, Abhimanyu Ray, very talented man, he's an artist, so he called me, he said मैंने आपकी photos देखे हैं and I would like you to audition for me. तो मैं, because when I feel you haven't tried for something और जब हो जाता है तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. So at that time, I think my hit rate was quite good. I was auditioning for 3 ads and I would get through 1 at least.
Wow.
So in a row, I did about 8 commercials. And as you can see, I'm very less expressive.
Oh, please, please. This is like called middle of everything, fishing for compliments. Yeah, Archana, totally. मतलब from your smile to your voice to your acting, सब back to back hearts और comments कर रहे हैं, and you think less expressive. You are expressive with your voice and face.
I was being sarcastic, and my husband always tells me, "You're like a cartoon. You're doing too many expressions." I said, I need to calm down.
Yeah, I think Sindhi problem hai. Because this even I keep hearing that I'm too animated and too much expression. And somebody said, "Can you do something poker face?" I'm like, poker face? So he's like, poker face भी तो poker face के साथ नहीं बोल सकती.
So let me guess, Kareena Kapoor in as Pooh is your favorite character. I'm just asking.
After her जब भी मैं अपनी favorite हूँ, हाँ.
Okay. So it is there. What is this person saying? यार rich man's एक reply तो दे दो poor लोगों को.
अरे यार हम I live तुम्हारे लिए राहुल. Hello, hi.
Shweta is wearing red lipstick and I am wearing less kapde. Does not mean we are rich. we also want to be richer. But yeah, I think my major, मुझे बचपन में लोग बोलते थे अर्चू क्या बनेगी बड़ी बन के, तो मैं बोलती मैं खुश रहूंगी. तो देते भी लाइक खुश रहेगी मतलब वो तो हम सब रहेंगे, पर तुम करोगे क्या? तो ऐसे क्या होगा जिससे खुशी मिले? So I feel like doing Nautanki and just acting is so much fun. It's great fun, and I more than anything else, it's very challenging, boss. जो लोग actors हैं, आप लोग मान हैं, कितना waiting period होता है बीच में, कितना कुछ होता है, makeup ये वो, it's a physically strenuous job. And bless all the people who are in this medium. I really don't know. Hats off to you all. How do you do it, Shweta? How do you do it?
I still have a lot more to do. I want to try my hand on being an RJ. I still have a lot more things to do. So instead, I'm going to ask you how to do it. How to do it?
I think RJ बनने के लिए ना आपको एक ऑब्जर्वर होना चाहिए लाइफ में, लोगों की जिंदगी कैसे है, क्या करते हैं, कैसे रहते हैं, एंड देन थोड़ा बहुत स्टोरी टेलिंग. तो लकीली मेरा बचपन क्योंकि भारत में नहीं था, तो हम लोग जब देश से दूर होते हैं तो दादी जी बहुत काम आती हैं. मेरी दादी माँ बहुत काम आई थी. She was always telling us stories, and me and my brother used to sleep on her either side, and we used to pull her stomach and say, "Dadi ji, मेरे को story सुनाओ." And then my brother used to pull her, "Dadi ji, मेरे को story सुनाओ." So I think that really kind of built our skills on keeping someone wrapped in a conversation. Of course, I feel आजकल Shweta, because so much is happening digitally.
Yeah.
I feel like radio is going to be very challenging in times to come to keep people's attention. But मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि ये एक ऐसा मीडियम है जो कभी out of date हो ही नहीं सकता, because radio बहुत local medium है. तो अगर Unlock 1.0, which starts on Monday, and by the way, we are going to be heading back to our studios from Monday. So you will hear us live from our radio station now, starting this Monday. Hi, Sharma ji.
Sharma ji saying my two favorites.
आप हमको कभी बुलाओगे अंताक्षरी के लिए?
मैं तो 11 तारीख को जा रही हूँ अंताक्षरी खेलने
के साथ. मेरा नंबर कब आएगा? So yeah, so on Monday we start with our radio shows on air, and I think that's when a local radio station can tell you what's happening, give you more updates. क्योंकि अगर आप कोई भी podcast सुनोगे तो it's a dated one. It's still, you can't have it live, and it won't have that relevance around the world. So I can't keep talking about my city. So local होने के लिए I think radio is always going to be a great place.
So Rajesh has come live and he's saying Sindhi Bonds, my two favorite, wow to beauties.
Sony chokriyu. Sony.
Yeah.
Hey, listen, I want to ask you your favorite Sindhi dish.
Sindhi curry chawal and took goes without saying.
Took, I think, is world famous, but yeah, it is too good.
But for me, curry chawal without took and meethi bundi is incomplete. So kabhi
whole hog.
The whole thing. It is.
And
like,
you can make it? Can you cook it?
Yeah. Chal. Post quarantine, I shall cook it for you, and we shall have a Sindhi kya kehte hain, lunch.
I personally love koki. I just totally dig koki with like chai. I'm not otherwise a chai or coffee person. I can totally do without it. But वो कोकी चाय में डुबो के जो खाने का मजा है ना,
ये मैं ट्राई करने वाली हूँ. मैंने कभी नहीं ट्राई किया है. Rajesh is loving sai bhaji.
So I will get the koki, you make this, and Rajesh, you get sai bhaji.
Rajesh, did you hear? You have to get the sai bhaji. You're not only coming. You're getting sai bhaji along.
Sorry to all the people who have joined this conversation. ये हम लोग सिंधी नेस को हम लोग क्या बढ़ावा दे रहे हैं? But trust
नहीं यार, but अब है. सिंधी कढ़ी बोलो, साई भाजी बोलो, कोकी बोलो, डोडा बोलो.
In fact, रणवीर ने एक अपने इंटरव्यू में बोला था. My favorite pastime is watching movies and eating lolo or something like that. He said, I was like,
Doda.
Only he can say this, yaar. He's too cute.
He is like, I'm telling you, when the first time I saw him in Band Baja Bharat, I didn't know he was Sindhi, and because it's Singh, and he has played that Punjabi boy so well that you cannot even have a doubt of he's a Sindhi. And I saw एक दो और movies, and after a while I came to know he's a Sindhi. I was like, अरे मुझे ना एक movie करनी है जोश, जिसमें I play the sister and he's a brother. And everyone was like, you want to play sister? I said, yeah, full Sindhi bonding, bro. I want to play sister.
Someone saying bhuga choka, brown.
Oh yes, I like bhuga chawal with sai bhaji. Otherwise, I'm not a bhuga chawal fan.
Very tasty. Or if you're a dahi lover like me, put some dahi in it. Oh
bhuga chawal and dahi also. So I have to tell you this bhuga chawal story, okay? So my brother's a nutritionist, and before he started studying nutrition and all of it, he had gone into this whole phase of brown rice and quinoa and all of it. And that time, brown rice quinoa बहुत limited जगह पे था. जैसे अंधेरी में तो मिलता ही नहीं था. You had to go to Neelam. Like, suddenly you felt Andheri is a gaon.
And Neelam always overprices.
Yeah, and now it's like, I'm going all the way to take brown rice till Bandra. So वो वाला हाल था. So I was like, didn't know Andheri bhi gaon ho sakta hai. And my nani used to stay in Kalina. So anyways, used to find that a gaon back then till BKC never came. So my brother, typical, like, मैं यही खाऊंगा, वो खाऊंगा. He agreed to come to Nani's house and he insisted, he called Nani and said, मैं आ तो रहा हूँ, but आप brown rice बनाना. Now for her, brown rice was what? Can you have any guesses?
Brown rice क्या हो सकता है? पता नहीं.
तो जब हम वहाँ गए, भुगा चावल बना. brown rice.
जय झूलेलाल. मस्त नानी, मस्त. मज़ो अची वियो.
हम सिंधी हर जगह पहले ही पहुंच जाते हैं.
Oh God, this story is epic. I love it. I love it. I love it.
So yeah.
How's your brother doing? Is he still eating brown rice or he's normal now?
No, he's normal now. So he's on the phase of.
But some people are saying, Shweta, some people are saying on this chat कि आप बहुत पतली हो गए हो.
यार प्रॉब्लम ये है ना, आजकल नुटेला भी सबको खुश नहीं रखता है. तो जब मैं मोटी थी तभी सबको प्रॉब्लम थी कि मोटी हो. अब मैं पतली हो गई हूँ तो सबको प्रॉब्लम है पतली हो गई हूँ. So the other day I was like, decide कर लो.
Ignore. Okay.
And my favorite line is nowadays even Nutella can't keep everyone happy. So who am I?
अरे यार मैंने डब्बा almost खत्म कर लिया. I'm embarrassed as hell, but I don't care. It's okay.
So our Sindhi lunch is done. Sindhi bonding is going on. What is your favorite food while quarantine?
I think it's been very mixed because quarantine में भी really I don't know what has happened. हम लोग के chefs बाहर क्यों ऐसे निकल आए हैं? It is doing very creative pastime because you're going to now anyway go in the kitchen and get marrowed, and it's been so hot, yeah, Shweta, during this quarantine. तो हम लोग ने पसीने बहाए झाड़ू कटका and ये खाना बनाते हुए. But I have to say that we've discovered so many things about cooking in the kitchen, but the only one dish that stands out for me, because I never even thought ये हो सकता है, was something my husband came up with. He made so I'm a big palak lover, okay? I'm a very big palak lover. पालक के कोफ्ते हमने बनाए.
Oh wow.
उसके अंदर हम लोग ने पनीर की स्टफिंग डाली और बाहर it was green, अंदर it was white, and the gravy is red. It was so good. I felt like it was better than anything I've had in a restaurant also. So I was like, dude, this is such good stuff. And then, obviously whoever saw it, typical, हम लोग फिर show off के लिए post भी करेंगे. फिर 10 लोग अरे कहाँ से कैसे क्या? But I'm a very, once in a while you can give me this rich food, it's great. But I'm a very dal chawal person. I'm so in love with dal chawal. I cannot explain to you. मतलब आज भी हम लोग, अभी मैं सोच रही थी कि मैं कुछ पराठे बनाऊंगी. ऐसे नहीं, रोटी हो गई सुबह, Now I'll make dal chawal. Like dal chawal is just, or khichdi. Oh my god, I'm such a khichdi lover. My sister is like, "छोके बीमार है क्या घर में? मुझे छोक." Khichdi is so tasty. So for the rest of you, people feel कि खिचड़ी तभी बनती है जब कोई बीमार होता है घर पे. मुझे ऐसा लगता है खिचड़ी is, and especially if you stuff it with vegetables and you give it a nice tomato tadka and all that, it's really yum. And I'm anything with dahi is great for me. So yeah, so I think that maybe that memory is going to be of that, because the effort that went into making that, and a meze platter, because I was born in Kuwait, so hummus is like my thing. So I mean, अगर hummus नहीं है तो ऐसे लगता है लाइफ ही नहीं चल रही है ठीक से. अरे
राजेश is saying he made खिचड़ी today. You made or you got from डब्बा वाली? तुम्हारा कोई भरोसा नहीं है. सच सच बताओ कि आज मैं डब्बा वाली को लाइव लेके जा रहा हूँ तो पहले डब्बा भेज दो.
राजेश, if you're cooking, make the video, put it live. We want to see.
He will say, oh, I would have, but आज मेरे पास 2 लाइव है तो मैं वीडियो कब बनाऊँ? And राजेश, that's what I'm going to say.
नहीं, राजेश का अगर हो सकता है तो he can be on camera all day long.
Yeah, he's saying let's all 3 do a full-on Sindhi show. I am game, and I'm sure Archana is game. So चलो 4 हो जाओ, हम दोनों ready है. राजेश, get on to the creative, start making it. We are game.
The show's name will be झूलेलाल.
जय झूलेलाल. बड़ी, or we can even say बड़ी साईं.
Yeah.
So he's saying only Akshay cooks.
Shweta, what has been your most memorable moment in your career so far? Like where you felt like achieved.
If I have to choose one, then it is when I did my first show of That's My Goal, my debut in theatre, because like you said that, you know, radio chose you, theatre chose me. I never wanted to do theatre because I was like, you know, ये मतलब बहुत ज्यादा है और मुझे एक्टिंग नहीं आती, मैंने एक्टिंग सीखी नहीं है. सो फॉर मी इट वाज लाइक बाकी सब तो ठीक है, कैमरा ऑन कर लो हो जाएगा, थिएटर इज जस्ट नॉट हैपनिंग. And I still remember when I was called to meet Bharat sir.
Were you scared of a live audience? Were you scared of?
No, I just thought it's like, you know, like it's a proper actors medium और मैं तो actor हूँ नहीं. So theatre was something I never thought I could do. And the way the whole situation happened and I was chosen for That's My Goal and I thought was like this, जब choose भी हुई ना, I told Bharat sir मुझे acting नहीं आती है तो you handle it. And he's like literally उन्होंने सर पकड़ा. He's like ये कौन सी लड़की को मैं हाँ बोल रहा हूँ, क्योंकि पहले दिन ही बोल रही थी मुझे तो एक्टिंग नहीं आती है, आपने चूज किया, आप ही डिसाइड करो. So my first show, and it was a father-daughter thing, and I'm like super attached to my father, and it was on his death anniversary, 15th March. So for me,
meant to be.
It was meant to be, and that's when I realized that yes, theatre and acting is meant to be, because my first short film was again a father-daughter story. My first theatre was father-daughter thing. So yeah, that's my goal. The first time I went on stage, like I got nostalgic, and I'm a big fan of Vaida ma'am. Okay, like it was like I can't tell you, like I really admire her. And
everyone does. You see her and you feel like grace is.
Yeah, like oh my god, if I can be so graceful, no, I'm like मतलब मैं आधा भी हो गई ना तो मेरा जीवन सफल है. It was that kind of a thing. And one day Bharat sir invited her for That's My Goal, okay, and he was worried that I might just not be able to say my lines because she's sitting in the audience. And when she came on stage and she complimented me, मैं तो बेहोश हो गई थी वहां पे. And she called me छोटा पटाखा. And I'm like looking at her, I'm like, people pinch me, I'm jumping. I'm like, so even now when I go back to, like, if I'm feeling low and
would you do theatre in a heartbeat if somebody asked you to?
Yeah. So if you give me 2 things and you tell me theatre, I'm like, oh, theatre, like, you know, theatre love is first. Anything for theatre.
That's huge. That's amazing.
You've done a play, yeah. That was the other thing I was about to ask you. How was your experience?
Parts.
Yeah, I was about to go on that.
Yeah, actually I loved it क्योंकि मुझे 1 नहीं 2 नहीं 3 रोल मिले, और क्योंकि लोग मुझे हमेशा मेरी कुंडली को देख के बोलते तो आपका मार्स बहुत प्रबल है, आपके अंदर बहुत एनर्जी है. So I felt wow, एक प्ले में 3 रोल्स का एनर्जी डाल दिया. I played a soprano singer, so I was going like that kind of singing, and then I was playing basically the play was based on Beethoven, and he had a really tough life, if I may say so. And one of his girlfriends I played, who comes in waltzing like that, and I also played his mother. I played 3 roles. तो मुझे पहले लगा कि मुझे ऐसे लगता है प्रोडक्शन वालों के पास बहुत कम रिसोर्सेज है, but I just, to me it was a great challenge, right? Like growing from the over concerned mother की बेटे की hearing जा रही है, what are we going to do? And he had a very strict father, so being in that conflict with the husband and then coming in like this lilac gown mein, I still remember I waltzed in and stuff, and as a soprano it was very funny because I'm typically bosom, so it's like a tight gown and all things popping out, and then I had to just go, whoa, and I was just like, I was in my own element. So it was three very different kind of personalities, and I think because there's so much humor inside of me, I was glad I could explore everything. I'm also very emotional and very like maternal. मतलब मेरे को सबको बच्चों को गोद लेना है लाइफ में, ऐसे टाइप के, like how girls are, like I'm sure even you're like a nurturer.
नहीं, मेरा तो ये है कि मुझे गोद ले लो. मुझे गोद लेना नहीं, मुझे गोद ले लो.
If I had to make a promo of this chat, I would make this moment the promo. मुझे गोद ले लो.
Good, we have, हमारी ट्यूनिंग हो चुकी है. तुम गोद ले लो, तुम्हें गोद लेना है, we are set.
But Shweta, beyond the fact that you've discovered your art and your skills, and it happens to the best of us, when you're asked to do something, तभी आप अपने आप को discover करते हो, which is great. But there is one thing everybody talks about, and how you're this Rakhi sister to Salman. Okay, so I mean that, I don't know if it's your claim to fame, but we all knew you because of that, right? Oh, she's Rakhi's, Salman's Rakhi sister. So obviously I have to ask you this. Like, Salman is scary. I don't know how have you become like this teddy bear in his arms, and how you have no fear of this muscle man जिसके सामने लोगों की बोलतियां बंद होती. I know RJs who are award winners who have like बोलती बंद. We don't know भाई के सामने क्या बोलना है. ये लड़की कैसे इतनी चुलबुली, and he is so chilling with you. Like, what is the scene?
Hello, Dr. Saju. So a friend of mine just came and he said hello. So like, I have to tell him. So, like I said, there wouldn't be any girl who would want to play in today's time Ranveer Singh's बहन. तो जैसे वैसे ही कभी भी मुझे तो भाई बनाना है. I have no other emotion. Like now also मुझे रणवीर सिंह की बहन play करना है. I have no other emotion.
Anybody listening? Ranveer Singh's sister, she's ready. Yeah.
So वो वाला था. So it was like, oh, I want to tie him Rakhi. I see him as a brother. It was as simple as that. So, और मेरा ये कि अगर मुझे कुछ चाहिए तो मुझे चाहिए.
So you manage. No, but it's strange, na? Because he's intimidating. His presence is intimidating. So how is this relationship?
I date crashed his house when I was in 7th standard. So imagine a kid going up to you and being like, मुझे आपको राखी बांधनी है.
And that's it. End of the story.
It. Yeah, it was like me telling the universe, मुझे ये ही चाहिए मेरे बड़े भाई के फॉर्म में, और कोई
wow. So if I have a wish list, I will send it to you because you will just say it and it'll happen.
The genie will try. The genie will try to blink her eye. The genie will try to do the nose thing, and then we'll hope the universe fulfills it.
So sweet. Raja Sandeep, happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Raja K. Sandeep. Why are there 2 names in your name? Happy birthday to you.
So, Archana, before we sign out, because Instagram ka deadline hota hai, and now I know why Mandy had to take you live twice, because I've already thought of another one and another one and another one, and we're going to have a lot more sequels with RJ Archana, because वो सिर्फ एक RJ नहीं, वो singer, actor, environmentalist, lover, philanthropist, और पता नहीं क्या-क्या, और item number भी कर चुकी होंगी next time तक. Make a video, only then we will believe you, Rajesh. If we don't see a video, we do not believe you. Rajesh is going live now because one of our friends, Vivek Kapoor, is going live, which we are looking forward to. So he cannot go to Cook. He has to come and join us there live. Juta.
But today I'll make dal chawal and I will post a picture dedicated to the 2 of you, okay?
Oh, thank you. And post-quarantine lunch पक्का है. Quarantine के पहले या quarantine के बाद एक और live chat for all you viewers पक्की है.
Yeah.
And thank you, Archana. It was glad chatting with you. I had a great time.
Lots of love to you, darling. Thank you for having me. I just want to say to all the people watching this chat कि लाइफ में अगर आपको खुश रहना है तो खुशी देना सीखो, जैसे ये लड़की कर रही है, खुशियां बांट रही है बेचारी, अकेली बैठ के, पतली होके भी शी इज गिविंग लॉट ऑफ लव अवे. Akshay will cook it seems. Rajesh Topri always tells me my husband cooks. And ये सिंधी पने को बढ़ाइए अगर कोई सिंधी है इस चैट में, because we believe our community deserves it. And thank you so much, Shweta. It's so lovely to see you.
Same here. See you soon.
Bye. Wow.